dami ng weapons ng USP
right.
through the years. You've got to do a good job as setter. Kundi mabibwisit sa'yo yung mga weapons.
Exactly. And you know, for the coach also, it can be very frustrating because
that's a better point.
Hindi mo maximize yung galing ng mga attackers mo if you're not able to give out those good hits.
And that is a point we will take a look at in the course of the battle here. The first strike, or attempted strike by Sultanes, is a little too strong. What we find interesting here today is that this lady is starting here today, si Pantino, Pantino. Pantino is usually their lucky charm who comes off the bench.
That's right.
She comes to start here today. She's one of the more consistent players, and it's 2-0 lamang ng maaga ang Air Force.
Because we all know that Yonko is still nursing that injury, so will still be missing action in this game.
Faulty communication on the part of PLDT Hotel Pad early on as Soriano misses that. Don't forget that for fun, family, and pizza, it's got to be Shakey's.
And we were actually mentioning that earlier, Seb, about communication, how important the communication would be inside the court. And so far, it has not been good for PLDT. String of errors being committed by PLDT.
You know what's scary? And I'm looking at Project Gorayev. This is the same way that PLDT home tailpipe started when they lost in straight sets against Ateneo just the other day. Here's a serve that is much too strong and Pantino apologetic. Don't forget that Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's League. Axel makes everybody look very spiffy. I like that word, spiffy.
Spiffy.
Spiffy. Parang pupuntang party. Spiffy. In the meantime, underway. Mababa yung set. Ginawa ng paraan.
That guy, Pantino picks it up. Cases. Oh, good pick up there from Pantone.
Malakas lang ang block. And the crowd, we have a good sized early crowd, and it's only the bleacher section that's not yet filled up right now. We have I'm not kidding you, it's a triple bill of games here today. It's, Ivy put it so correctly. Volleyball, delightful volleyball overload today.
That's right. So lahat ng mga volleyball addicts dyan,
Mauumay
kayo sa volleyball this afternoon.
Well said. In the meantime, faulty tip. And it will go now to the other side. De Leon will be serving. Magkakaligtaan sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Layong Tiger Katol ang gamitin. Proudly Philippine-made. De Leon serve.
Serve is good. Good pick up there from Pantino. Cases!
Medyo huli na ni Pantone yung numero ni Joy Cases na maaga.
Right. Now, this overreaching violation called up against Air Force. So good recovery on the part of PLDT, and I think we have to give credit to Pantone at an early stage of the match. You know, yung magagandang receive niyang yun actually put up the pace for PLDT.
And that inspires the rest of the team to do well. Alam mo kasi, pag nandiyan ka, ayaw mo sayangin yung mga putong ganyan eh.
That's right. Saka yung mga tipo parang, ang ganda ng receive ko, sasayangin nyo lang.
Hindi kayo mag-uusap pag kumain kayo mamaya. Maiinis sa'yo. In the meantime, Rhea Di Maculangan, the USP setter, is going to be serving for all of us, and it is perfectly done. Huli si Suzanne.
That was a little bit too low, I think.
Anong gustong set ni Suzanne? Mataas ng konti?
Well, you would call it gitna nung mataas at gitna nung mababa. Differential, if you call it to.
Halos sibat na eh.
That's right.
Mikasa po ang ating official ball dito sa Shakey's V-League. Tinaas ni Pantone. Nasipag si Pantone today. Out of reach.
Good attack from Soriano, going off the block.
You know, PLDT home tailpad, they're at the top of the standings. When they're in sync, when they're doing well, they do very well. But in that game against Ateneo, they were really unglued. They had no rhythm. They lost in straight sets to a team that they beat in 3 sets in the elimination round. In the meantime, that is they're not taking care of business.
That's right.
Charo
Soriano.
Yes.
The service line currently number 2 server.
Medyo consistent si Charo dyan sa aspect na yan, yung serving. But
yes,
if she makes a mistake, it's my fault.
You didn't curse it this time, Seb.
Nope, I did not. Cases is caught. May nasaktan. May nasaktan doon sa ilalim. Naramdaman ni Joy. Yep. Is this De Venadero or Latigan? I'm not sure right now.
This is Luan Latigay.
Yeah,
He's
she got-
down now.
Tumama siya sa ilalim sa poste sa ilalim. If we have it on replay, we'll show it to you. Charo Soriano is trying to, boy, I'm sure disappointed si Luan. Let's see here.
As we all know, Luan Latigay actually has I think she sprained
Yes.
her ankle. Yeah. Kitang-kita doon sa replay, di ba?
Yung bagsak niya, no? Mali, ano?
Kita
Tapilok
natin yung paa niya talagang.
Will try to... Ayun! Ayun. You can sense the pain there. Well, that's an early blow to the offense of PLDT home tail pad. We're tied at 6, by the way. That is not something you would wish on anybody. Masakit
That's
talaga.
right, oo. Usually yung first impact, yun yung talagang mafe-feel mo yung sakit eh.
Oo, tapos bukas ang hirap ng paligo niya.
So good play from Soriano.
Sharo with a one-handed no-looker in play.
They would go to Cases. Good block from Roses.
Inspired by Soriano's big cover because
Yes.
it looked out of reach. Watch this.
So this is Cases. Solid block there from
ito yung dulo na eh.
Roses. Oo. But
Ito na yung
yeah,
dulo.
I have to agree, Steph, that was actually a very crucial save from Soriano.
He kept it in play. In fact, since Charo has been serving, 3 straight points by PLDT home Telpad. They were down at 6-4, now up at 7-6.
Roses off the block.
It's down already, according to the lines person. Already.
After that fall that she had, and ang maganda dito is hindi naman siya namamaga as of right now, pero she's in a lot of pain, so hindi pa natin alam kung makakabalik siya. But I will keep you guys posted. Balik sa inyo, Sam.
Thank you for that, Miyaka. We shall look forward to that report. This time around, Charo unable to get to it, and was really more out of reach this time than the last time around.
But that was another almost good save from Charo.
Let's go with Micah Ortiz, another one of those UST growling, glowing tigers. De Leon with a set. Tinago si Suzanne. Tinaas.
This is going to be Cases off speed. That's outside. You know what's interesting, Steph? So far, we have close scores here, 9-7, but Air Force actually only scored 1 point off the block, and the rest are mostly from the errors already of PLDT.
So may have to need a little more work on the blocks. In the meantime, that is blocked. Cases is trying to solve the problem of those blocks as Caballejo does something off speed. Ito na. Nanggugulang na pareho.
Cases off speed. Combination. That's Soltones. Yes, off the block.
And nobody there to cover it underneath. We shall see it again in this sequence. Watch how this happened.
Take a look at that combination play.
Tinago.
No coverage also for Air Force.
10-7 na po tayo. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, Lion Tiger, katulad gamitin, proudly Philippine-made.
Drop ball.
Good
coverage.
Nice
Another free ball. One-handed set.
Mga veterana nanggugulang.
Good recovery. Di makulangan to set up with Cases. Cases off speed.
Longest
De Leon.
Namatay sa tubig.
That was actually a misset already, but Roses was able to do something about it.
And we shall now slide into the timeout of Philippine Air Force. Clarence Esteban will have probably something to say.
Okay, wala, naghihintay ka na lang din secure kasi iktadan mo lang ng isang ganon. Hindi ka talaga makaka-atake ng malakas.
Apat lang na
Okay. Hey, wala nang ibang play kundi open. Pagandahin mo lang yung set natin sa open. Nag-wild yung bola mo, ang hirap atakihin Okay, pag wala na, bumigay na. Open na lang, wala nang ibang option kundi open. Pagandahin mo lang.
You could actually sense from Clarence Esteban that, okay, nothing is working on our combinations. Let's make volleyball very simple.
Yes.
Let's try to go to the open para makakuha tayo ng mga strike. We have it from Miyaka that Luan Latigay is now being iced. There's no swelling. She can still walk, and let's see if she will be able to return to the game. That's something we shall see. Wow. That's alive!
Oh, that was outside.
Oh, sayang yun.
Sayang yung save.
Sayang.
Minsan yung mga ganun, no, nakapanghinayang.
Yes.
Yung kung saan lang siya pumasok at kung di lang pumasok lang sana sa loob ng antena.
And you understand why Adamson was such a force in the collegiate and the Shakey's V-League ranks because of Pantones. He wasn't Pantone before.
Yeah. She was more known as Gata. Oh, excellent quick hit from De Banadera.
And this woman can also have the dead look. Pagka yung naka-strike siya na maganda.
Lalang. Parang it's a normal thing that happens every day.
Ito, ganda ng preparasyon. Bang! Well, wait.
Service ace for Roses.
Oh, the reception of Air Force is so spotty. And they're looking away from each other, ano? Pagka may problema yung team, alam mo, hindi nag-uusap, biglang, saan tayo nakatingin, kung saan.
Another good serve. They go to Pantino.
Lakas.
That mixes the line.
Bumabo, kala ko malakas. So, nag-open nga sila, no? They went to the conventional or the open spike to be able to get some dividends. They regained the serve. Caballero will be serving. Don't forget, for Fun Family Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's.
Service good. Combination once again. Sultones drop shot. Cases to set it up for Pantino, who's blocked. Ball is still alive. Balik kay Pantino. Picked up by Pantone. Back row for Roses.
Parang gusto mo makisali pag ganyan ang ganda.
Oo, ang ganda ng rally.
Yes, pasok.
That makes it inside.
And 2 straight points. Topic, who hails from Davao, was a member of the Lady Aguilas that played in the first conference and really shook the tournament, actually.
That was a bit too low. That was a bit too low for De Banadera.
Parang ginawa niya ng paraan.
She just tried to make do.
Wala suntok suntok niya.
But you know, I think that's better. Kasi yung paluin mo na alam mo sa net lang pupunta. At least that it has the chance na tumama pa sa kamay ng blocker.
That's well said. I would have said, mas mabuti kesa sa hindi mo paluin. Pero yung nga sabi mo, ginawa ng paraan. Ay! Bumalik kay Tapik ang bola. (14-11) as De Banadera will be serving. This is Raisabel De Banadera.
Of course, this is one of the homegrown talents of Coach Roger from San Sebastian.
Yes.
Pantino off the block.
Sultones
off the block as well, goes outside.
To those of you who work out in a gym and there's a boxing ring there, yung pag natitinig niyo yung heavy back boxing.
Ganun yung tunog ng palo nitong si Sultones.
And if you don't had a chance to listen to Manny Pacquiao, listen, and I say listen, because when Pacquiao hits the heavy back, it's like there's some music playing actually. That's reachable.
This is a free ball. Running attack from Soriano goes inside.
And Shara Soriano is on the ball this afternoon.
Sinasabi naman niya doon nung gagawin, you know.
Ramdam mo yung pait. Yung tampo. 16-11 po tayo. First set pa lang.
Go to Sultones.
Labas.
And that's outside.
How important is it when you're on the floor? Kailangan nag-uusap kayo.
It's very important, you know, because una sa lahat, you have may mga pwesto-pwesto kayo dyan eh. And every person gumagalaw sa kada pwesto. So it's important na alam ng katabi mo kung ano yung, kung kukunin mo yung bola, or if siya na dapat ang kumuha ng bola. Communication really plays a very big role.
Somehow some confidence that you're a part of a team. Ano?
Yes.
We have Wendy Simano already on the floor. She just served. The Makulangan goes the other direction. Bang!
Good off speed there from Ortiz.
And we have 2 straight points now by the Air Force since that last timeout.
So I think that was a wake-up call from Coach Clarence.
Kasi baka Hindi pa nag-respond yung girls. Ewan ko kung saan pupunta si Clarence eh. Hello! Ruby Galayan reintroduces herself to everybody. You know, Ruby is like a tsunami, it's like a storm surge. Even a simple storm, you know something's going to happen. Signal number 3 na, but you still can't stop it. She's gonna be so sneaky when she does it. Kala! Galit yung mali. Kanina yung sabi mo. Mga setter, pakitang gilas na!
Correct. So, ginawa ni Ate Ruby, gagawin ko din.
Anything you can do, I can do.
Yes. I think at some point, Ruby was also mentoring Rhea.
Yes, so, the national team nagsama-sama rin yun.
Oh, so, of course, kung yung skills na meron si Ruby, would be passed on to Rhea de Maculangan as well. Benting was blocked.
But somehow sa practice no? Ipapakita ang kay Gilas kasi gusto mo yung playing time nung isa
Of course.
17-15, time to listen in to Roger Gorayan.
Kung ma-expectin ninyo, expectin nyo mababla para kumoberate kayo. Hindi tayo nag-i-expect tayo nang makapapasok yung palo kaya pag na-block natataranta kayo Tingnan nyo yung palo. Kung may copies contact yung bola, habulin ninyo. Ito yung pinakamalakas nilang rotation. Ito yung pinakamahina nating rotation. Kaya nyo naman natin.
Boy, what a read by Roger Gorayan. This is their strongest rotation. This is our weakest rotation. We gotta defend.
Yeah, well, because we have Air Force has both of them had 2 attackers at the front line. But I guess Coach Roger is trying to say is na yung taller kasi yung nasa kabilang side.
Yeah, I guess so. Mapapa yung set.
Benting tried to make do.
Yes, indeed. Make do is the word.
Oh, good block there from Soriano.
Oh boy, that was wala nang point doon ng Home Delpad. PLDT, wala na silang chance na dalawang play, namatay na, nagawa ng paraan ng third. 18-15.
Cases is blocked.
Kanina pa nahuhuli si Cases.
Mike Ortiz.
And Charo Soriano said, I was there.
O kaso pumasok Well, that meant that meron siyang konting distance from the net. That's why pumasok yung bola.
You look at Charo Soriano, and she's probably not the most muscular of all our players. But she has strong arms, kasi nakaka-block siya.
Yeah.
16-18.
Process of the block.
Up. Nakita ko. Nasa lupa na.
There's a violation
Sa
called
net
up
pala.
against PLDT.
And it's a 1-point affair. 18-17, 17 serving now. De Maculangan will be serving. It's been a battle royale, and as you anticipated, Ivy, between the setters actually. Now
was blocked.
We're tied.
Excellent block from Caballero and Ortiz.
Caballero, hindi pa nabibigyan ng bola sa palo. Tabla tayo sa 18. Last 3 points have been all Air Force. We took a technical timeout at 18-15. De Maculangan serve.
Serve is good.
Ala, suntukan na. Nailusot ni Benting.
Angela Benting scores a point for PLDT.
But you know, these are the sequences, Ivy, where the coaches are not so happy, Kasi hindi malinis yung mga sets, hindi malinis yung execution of plays. The defense is okay, but I guess the adjustment to the way the sets are being delivered is what the coaches are frustrated about. Soriano with a serve that is too strong, and she's shaking her head. You can sense that frustration. We're tied at 19. Boy, pag yan nagkamali ka sa serve, you just want to get back right away.
Exactly, but there's no repeat.
Walang
Wala
take
no
two
rewind. Oh, you have to wait for the next rotation na babagsak ka ulit sa service line.
Boy, I love the way the Granadera is punching it today. Oh, Air Force getting a break and they're ahead 2019.
Miscalculation there from Pantone.
To 19.
Good serve. Running hit from Roses. Pantino was there. Passes.
Ay, tapol yung
Passes the antenna.
Sayang yung save ni Pantino. Gusto ko pag nakakaputo kayo, magandang dig, tas tataas mo yung kamay.
Yeah.
Parang sinasabi mo sa Madlang people, ako gumawa nun. Tumaas ang bola.
Oo.
Huwag niyong sasayagin yun ang translation nun.
Service good. Caballero.
Nabigyan din si Judith. Tama naman binalasan niya ng konti.
Yeah, and that's a good combination as well for Air Force.
Alam mo itong larong first set na to, parang season. One lead, go the other way. Ito, up, down, and all around. It is now Air Force by 1. Second taste of the lead. Actually, the third taste of the lead by the Air Force. They led early at 6-4 earlier. Nicely done.
Excellent play from Pantone. But look at the combination also that PLDT had. We had a running hit, a quick attack. So, nalito talaga yung blockers eh.
Oo nga
And it
naman.
wasn't even a high play ha. Pati yung set for Soltones, hindi siya mataas.
Ooh. And suddenly the seesaw battle continues. It is 22-21 Air Force. But this is just the first set of probably 13 or 14 sets this afternoon. Really lots and tons of volleyball, and you see them all here on GMA News TV.
The Granadera, drop shot. They will go to Pantino. Pantino down the line.
Naghanap ng sulok si Pantino. Time out by Roger Gurriel.
Susumahin natin yan kasi pag nandito na yung score, hindi nyo na alam kung natataranta na kayo eh. Pero pag sa umpisa, relax na relax kayo. So, hindi na tayo relax naglalaro eh. Gusto natin, pag pinalo natin, mamamatay. Pag hindi namatay, hindi natin maisip kung anong gagawin natin. Lagi tayo dito sa tumutumotok eh. Diba yun ninyo? Nandiyan pumapalo. Pag alam mo kung ito. Lagi naman pinapaalala na lang yan eh. Lagi na lang yan. Hindi na kayo nagtawa.
My greatest wish for Roger Gurriel is one day he will not have to say something like that, and all will be well in a perfect world where there's world peace. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, Lion Tiger katulad gamitin proudly Philippine made.
Ang world peace talaga.
World peace. Oh, that drops to the floor, and it is set point for Air Force. Caballero. Porsyentong serve.
Combination play. Passes.
That's
He
it.
sets it up. It is a free ball. Good block.
nice.
Block once again. Excellent blocking from Air Force.
And that sealed the deal. You were mentioning that Air Force was not getting too much out of their blocking earlier, but what a perfect way to put a period to this first set here in our shaky, shake and play. Watch this.
This is Soltones on the attack. Excellent timing from Tapik.
And they're on the Baguin.
Oo,
And suddenly that Sermon on the Mount by Clarence Esteban worked and clicked. In the meantime, we welcome you to the start of the second set, and the first point belongs to PLDT Home Telpad. If you're talking about PLDT Home Telpad, what sort of aspect of their game sort of deserted them? What did they not do correctly in that first set, Ivy?
Well, I think, PLDT's game, it's not bad, right? It's not bad. It's just that there were those few hits and misses that could have been an opportunity for them. So, for example, I guess, may mga ibang set na medyo mababa, hindi nagawa ng paraan, yung mga ganun.
And Roger Gurriel was telling his lady boosters, okay, in the first part we're okay. Then, when there was a crisis, we didn't know what to do anymore. He's frustrated because his team, of course, a team of veterans. And look at this. Early on, the blocking, which was not there for Air Force in the early goings, suddenly has returned and has been good for the Air Force.
And this is something, of course, that the PLDT would have to find a solution for.
Yeah.
So especially pagka gumana ng blocking ng Air Force, kailangan makadiskarte sila pagdating sa kanilang atake.
Lipat mo yung set, ano? Ibalasan mo ng konti, mag-open ka, mag-be quick ka. Huwag kalimutan, pagka-fun family pizza, it's gotta be shaky. Pag nadinig yung pizza, no, lumalabas yung graphics, ano? Gutom na yung graphics person natin, eh. I can tell. 2-all. At sa lakas ng palo na parang sinuntok si Gretchen Sultones. Alam mo, ang spike, sa TV, kala mo, ang lambot, ano?
Yeah, but when you watch it live, you know, that's the beauty of watching it live here.
Pero, yung, pag ikaw nandiyan sa court, pag sakit yan, yung biglang impact ng bola. Nagalit. Roses connecting on a nice down-the-line attempt. Watch this. When it's perfectly done, she's so graceful to watch. Don't forget Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's VV.
She's one of those players na parang walang effort. Ayun, parang hindi bumubuelo ng masyado.
Cool na cool. When Tim got a serve to crawl over the net, the entire side of Air Force totally unprepared for that.
Quick attack. Benting picks it up. They go to Roses once again off the block. Ball is still alive. Cassis for the attack.
May mahuli yung cross court ni Cassis, no?
Roses once again. Drop shot. Balmaceda is there. Caballejo. Drop shot din siya. They go to Soltones. Oh, block. That goes outside.
One thing that Gretchen has learned through the years, you don't have to overpower the block inside.
Yes.
Just have to use it sometimes. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion, Tiger, katolang gamitin. Proudly Philippine made.
Combination play picked up by Pantone. Soltones once again.
Net ang tumama.
That goes over. De Vanadera. Soltones. Buhay pa rin ang bola.
Second longest rally.
Combination. Soltones picked up by Balmaceda.
Galing ng mga libero.
Right.
Oh.
One hand set.
That's creativity in motion, huh?
Yeah.
Both setters, both sides, so creative. Watch how De Leon does this.
It's a one hand set. Mahirap yun, diba? Sabi ko nga yung nagloloko ko before, yung mga setter, may mga absent sa daliri. Kaya kahit isang kamay ang gamitin,
Oo.
may nakokontrol ang bola.
Nagagawa ng paraan, no? Benting keeping it in play.
Caballejo blocked by De Vanadera. Caballejo to set it up. Casses picked up by Pantone. Pumunta kay Roses. Down the line.
Porsyento, no? 7-3. Yung porsyento siguradong puntos, eh. Parang gusto ni Ruby De Leon at this point. Lumamang na tayo ng malaki. Parang hindi na tayo magkagulo sa dulo.
Not to gamble.
Oo.
But you can still see the distribution of the ball, eh. So, she's going to Roses for the most of the time, but binibigyan din niya ng binibigyan yung iba.
Correct.
Caballejo, nahirapan gawa ng paraan.
Wala siyang real estate, eh. Wala siyang buwelo. Wala siyang hangin doon sa play niya. 8-3.
Over nitong PLDT. Nakwento sa akin kanina ni Charo na alam naman daw talaga nila na meron silang konting pagkukulang dun sa area na yon, all conference long. Kaya naman sabi niya na during daw their practices, they try to simulate kung ano yung mga close games at the end. Kunyari daw, nagpe-play sila ng mga 22, 23, 23 all or even 24 all para ma-practice nila yung composure nila as a team. Kaya naman kahit they're down by one set right now, they're still confident that they can still get back in this game. Balik sa inyo, sir.
That's a very good report because we get an insight into how the teams prepare Ivy, no?
Yeah.
The coaches will play those games, eh.
Mahirap yun, kasi yung ganun talagang parang you're really pressured, pero nasa training ka lang.
Yes, indeed.
Soltones is blocked. Ginawa ng paraan ni Roses. First line. First line yun, ba?
Sa akin, parang siyang nanahi.
Nanahe.
Saan ba yung kulang? Ayusin natin ng konti.
Oo.
Isang speech dito sa kaliwa. Naku, si Clarence, ito na naman tayo. Makinig.
Nag-aasahan na naman tayo sa isa't isa. Dapat kukunin natin yung bola, inaasa na naman natin sa kasama natin. Dapat kung tayo kukuha talaga, patuloy na naman natin. Huwag natin pabayaan naman bumagsak ng ganong kasimpleng bola na mamatay sa atin. Lalo ba ng malakas yun? In-over na lang ng gano'n yun, namatay pa. Ano mangyayari sa atin? Paano pa yung pinalo malakas? Kung tayo depensahan, hindi natin makuha yung gano'n.
Boy, that line of Clarence echoes what you just said previous to the timeout. In-over lang, hindi natin nakuha, and his disappointment suddenly returned despite the fact that they took the first set. Boom! One step late si Judy and Caballero, no?
Yeah, I think most of them are expecting kasi na hindi napapasok yung bole.
I think so, yes,
Since
yes.
Roses was out of position, sumobra yung bigay ni Benting.
And we are now at 11-3. The Air Force was leading 3-2 when suddenly 8 straight points by PLDT Home Telpan.
Good pickup from Pantone. Soltones blocked. They go to Roses.
Sinuntok sa tuktok.
Caballejo
Yes.
down the line.
Finally, after a long, long drought, they nailed something. And they finally get the serve. Umikot na tuloy yung rotation nila, no? That is a problem, Ivy. Pag hindi kayo nakakakuha na serve, hindi umiikot yung rotation nyo eh. Nicasa's the official ball of the Shakey's B-League. To those of you watching volleyball, you know that players rotate. They swing around each time so everybody gets to serve, except the libero, of course. Ooh, layo.
Down the line hit from Pantino.
Two straight points.
Yeah, we
Two
can
straight
see Air Force attacking the down the line. Down the line hits ang ini-implement itong Air Force against PLDT.
Why do you think they're going there? They feel that there's a better opening there?
Well, they can see the base on the floor defense kasi yun ang bukas eh.
Okay. So that takes some deftness, some sharpness to realize that. The meantime, the Benadera is caught. Then King.
Ball is still alive.
Kala ko patay na eh.
Caballejo is blocked. Well, that did not go over.
Hindi nga. So bumalik ang point sa kabilang panig at umikot ang rotation ng PLDT Home Telpan. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng Pega. Lion Tiger na walang gamitin. Proudly, Philippine made. Sue Roses with the serve.
A setup here from Pantino. Good block. It is a free ball from Air Force. Combination play. Soltones denied. Quick attack.
Lampas.
O, lumagpas eh.
Ito playable.
We go to Roses from the back.
Si Aling Porsyento. No? Kahit ikaw setter, dito ako pupunta. Bakit mo papahihirapan pa? Regalo.
Over the net. They go to Caballejo.
I missed that kind of shot.
Benting at the back.
Ay, wala sa pwesto si Pantone. Alam niya. Nag-coverage si Pantone.
Yeah.
Tumulong siya, lumapit siya. Then, nung nagka-problema, was 3 steps late. 13-6 po ang ating bilang. Good start by PLDT Home Telpan, actually.
Laganadera. Pantino.
Ooh!
Oh, almost a good save there from Pantone.
Sipin mo kung magkampi yung Pantino, di ba? Sama-sama sa magkabuhol-buhol ka na.
Tongue twister na yun lahat.
13-7. Last 2 points have been scored by the Air Force.
Ruby. Back row from
Ay!
Roses.
Aha!
Pero yun medyo out of position na talaga.
Ito na, gagalit na ng mga Kuya Roger nyo. Nakatulog sa pansitan ng mga girls niya.
Coach Roger, they are ahead, but Coach Roger does not want, any mistakes.
Kasi the last 3 points have been scored by Air Force. Finally, Santones ends the drought.
Kasi Coach Roger realizes, syempre, na pag pinabigyan mo pa ng pagkakataon itong Air Force na dumikit, mahihirapan pa tayo.
Exactly, and you don't want to be down in the number of sets, 2-0.
Yes. And we've seen that happen in the first set, that PLDT was leading, pero hinayaan nilang dumikit ang Air Force.
Ito playable.
Sultones once again.
Sa power na tayo magpunta, sabi ni Ruby De Leon. Mamaya na yung quickie stuff na madaling gawin. Ito, lakasan na natin. Gusto nilang miwalay eh. As early as when it was about 7-3, we were recommending that they needed more distance actually. And against this Air Force team that could be dangerous. Semana is back in the game.
Wendy Semana now taking over the setting duties for Air Force.
Lakas. Walang kapitik-pitik. 16-8 po ang bilang natin. Una na naman. Sana.
Pero okay lang, kanya yung bag, atin na lang yung laman.
Dali mong kausap, ano? Sultan, sinubukan sa top. At umiscore na naman ang Philippine Air Force. It is 9 against 16. Si Tapit ng Davao ang magsaserve. Ito magandang first name nito. Josimel. Shakey's for Fun Family Pizza. It's gotta be Shakey's.
Sultones off the block.
I just have to mention the nice steady hand positioning of Antonio. Na parang napakaganda niya.
Yeah, and she's again one of those effortless players na parang walang ka-effort sa kanya yung pag-receive, ang pagpwesto.
There's some liberos, as like Sir Gossip, they're libero, nagkakahiwalay-hiwalay yung katawan.
Yeah, yung malikot. Makaslaw sa loob.
Meron yung poise, attendant sa loob.
But I think, Pantone is the most poised of them all.
I think so.
Pinaka-refined sa kanilang lahat.
Kasi si Benjamin may somersault eh.
Yeah.
Bilis saguhin, ganun din poise din. 18-10, samantala, as we take a look, the man in the middle is Sir Moying Marcelino, our chairman, and si Eleanor, ang ating principal.
Principal.
Si Mr. Moying, ang university president. Ganda ng pick-up. Sayang. Andiyan pa ba si Miss Pantone? Andiyan pa sa mga.
Andiyan pa. Scores 18-11. Air Force slowly inching closer.
Makakatok sa pinto Last 2 points or last 2 points have been scored by them.
Benting is blocked.
Tingnan dumikita. When does Roger Correa stand up to call a timeout? Is his hand near the timeout buzzer? I wonder. Semana survey. Sooner than you think. Eto na, tumayo muna. Why does that happen sometimes? You know your position. Ito, may mental lapse. What happens on the court?
Well, sometimes din kasi yung parang with hesitation ko, tentative movements So, like for example, alam mo na parating yung bola, pero minsan nagpapalit ka ng isip at the last minute
I think the fact that you don't catch the ball with your 2 hands here, also, what am I going to do here? I am startled by the game. Sometimes merong moments na hindi alam ng mga teams ko ano gagawin.
Yeah. Para momentarily mental block.
Ano nangyari doon? 19-13 score.
Joust at the net, won by Cases.
Cases has not been able to score on her open spikes. She's been trying to find a way to score. She found a way there. Ortiz will be serving for all of us. Itong coaches natin, mapapagod ka kapag pakbo ka. Facing din sila.
Angela Benting off the block.
Still one of the best with the open set. And long-time star of the Adams and Baby Falcons. Manzano's in for the first time, replacing passes.
Air Force adding more height to the floor.
Shimana with the set. Walang tao dun. Ayun. Biglang nagkasisihan ng konti. 20-15 ang ating bilang. Watch how everybody ends up with a campfire here, with a fire in the middle.
Nobody there to save the ball.
Can be frustrating.
Oo, yun yung mga kasi yung mga sumasabit sa net. Pagpawala ng momentum eh.
Caballero makes it a set. Ruby adjusts. Nice pickup. Eto na.
Soltones. Solid block.
4 points is the distance. Keep in mind, the Air Force took the first set, 25-21. Take us through this, Ivy. Nahuli talaga, no?
Perfect timing. Soltones has been aiming for that cross court. Nakakailang puntos siya kanina doon. And you can see that both of the blockers of Air Force umadjust eh.
Yes.
They kept the down the line open. So they're anticipating already sa cross court to Soltones.
They're daring her to try the down the line, which is not exactly her specialty. Wendy makes it a set. Oh, it turns into a point.
And again, that hits the hand of the blocker, changing the momentum of the ball.
And the set as well, because the last 3 points have been all Air Force. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion Tiger Kapol ang gamitin. Proudly Philippine-made.
Soltones off the block.
Hindi niya talaga mastering down the line. So, papaluan niya yung blocks. So then, they finally score, making it 21-17. Hindi rin nagpanic si Roger Correa, pero hindi siya tumawag ng timeout agad. Veteran coaches still want to use it.
Oh, that's outside.
They were hoping for a check.
There was no call. So no check from the blockers. Speaking itong si Judy, we have an idea what she has in mind. Papatsik na dapat eh.
Alam niyo, wala siyang palo eh.
Oh.
Yep, dahil ni sense it, Clarence Esteban will want a timeout.
Kailangan natin tumigil dyan. Malayo, dapat tubayan natin yung video natin. Umatake muna tayo ng isang kakay. Kaya yan sila nasa harapan. Bawi tayo. Go!
Air Force, fight, fight, fight. Yan ang sigaw ng ating mga spikers. Ngayon lang kayo pumunod sa amin. 22-17 ang bilang dito sa second set. First set, nakuha ng Air Force. 25-21. Kanina, Seb Sarmenta, Ivy Remulla, Mia Kalim, ang inyong kupunan dito sa GMA News TV presentation ng Shakey's League. And that serve is into the net. May epekto ba yung timeout sa pag-serve?
Yes. Yun yung sinasabi natin ng pag-change of momentum. So, kaya may mga ibang coaches you would see na pagka sunod-sunod ang puntos ng kalaban, they would call for timeout to break the momentum.
Ganda. Perfect. Sa likod. And it just becomes a 3-point affair. And Pantino making sure that nobody was there. And Caballero will be serving. Suddenly, it's the Air Force knocking at the door again. Parang ganito ng perset, ha?
Soltones!
Nakakuha rin.
You cannot leave Gretchen Soltones alone with just one blocker.
Nangyari, Ivy, nung nawala yung double block,
Yeah.
nakakita siya ng puwang, ano? anim na pirasong silaw ng araw. Wala, pinuno na. Serve is in play. And Pantino quietly contributing, making it now 20-23. They obtained the serve. Topic will be doing it now. They have Ortiz now in the front row. Semana is now the setter as she was 4 or 5 points back.
Soltones blocked by Semana.
Who is not exactly the tallest person on the planet. I think she's about 5'2".
Yeah, but you know she can jump really high. That's the
Yes,
thing.
yes.
Don't be deceived by the height.
And she's been a setter for a long time. She was for FEU. That floated down. Pinago. Well done by Ruby De Leon. And now it is set point. Well, the mind of the setter is constantly at work. Ang basa ng laro, grabe. Soltones says, subukan natin.
Good serve. Here we go to Pantino off the block.
Mintis! Mintis!
Communication there from Soriano and De Leon.
Anong feeling mong hindi tama doon?
Well,
Mali ang basa ni Ruby?
Well, I think Ruby was, another option sana siya doon si Angela, but Angela was the one who got the ball.
Okay.
So wala na siyang option but to give it to Charo.
The dump. Tingaluan.
Ball is still alive.
May ball nangyari. Too close to the net. Ginawa ng paraan.
Angela Pinking.
I think you and I are in for a long afternoon straight into evening. The second set goes the way of PLDT. Watch this shaking play, and we'll prepare the third set for all of you.
The Turbo Boosters was able to get set number 2 because of the attack that they were able to give out, and also they had good services. Meron sila service ace. Makikita natin in terms of errors, halos pantay lang eh.
Yes.
But PLDT this time around was able to manage their game. They were able to control it, right? And yun nga, they had more opportunity to execute the attacks, quality attacks.
I think also PLDT, and you said that their mind was into the game also. Like, during that long stretch, they were threatened. Ang laki na nung lamang nila, they led by as much as 11-3, but they managed to hold on to the set. Project Gorea did not use a timeout. Feeling niya siguro kaya ng girls eh.
Right. I think that's also part of the strategy. You know,
Okay.
if probably there is something that Coach Roger can sense in the girls na pag tumawag ako ng timeout, baka mawala baka masira.
That's a great observation. In the meantime, first point of this third set, we'd like to welcome you to it. Belongs to PLDT Home Cell Pad. At stake, places in the semifinals. This could be a decisive day. We have 3 games actually in the schedule. You'll see them all here on GMA News TV. Here we go. This is a dink by Ortiz.
Back row from Soltones. Manzano off the block. Roses, another off the block. Oh, good save. Hindi daw nabuhay. Sayang.
Gustillo is now the alternate libero. You can choose 2 liberos, you know. And as long as you choose them at the start of the game.
So you can interchange the liberos but hindi ka pwede na magpalit ng player na hindi libero.
Okay. Ang unang confusion niya kasi yung uniforme.
Yeah.
Agad, iba agad ang uniforme
Yeah.
niya. For Fun Family Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's.
Ruby De Leon at the service line. Oh, I thought that would have gone outside.
May diin yung palo ni Judy Caballero.
Oh.
I felt in the first 2 sets, Judy did not get as much in terms of the sets.
Yes, actually, in fact. But then again, she was Well, yeah, you're right. You know, she didn't get as much because she only scored 8 points after 2 sets, and which is, I think, low numbers for Judy Caballero.
Yes, indeed.
And for Air Force, it's followed by Pantino with 6 and Tapik with 5. Meanwhile, for the Turbo Boosters, top scorers are Rosas and Soltones with 10 each, and Soriano and Benting with 5 each.
Namorsyento talaga si Ruby De Leon. She went to
Oo.
her big scorers actually in that second set especially. It's a 4-1 count.
Good save from Soriano.
Chara's been saying hello to that floor since that first set. Huh? She's playing like a libero actually.
Roses off the block.
Alam mo, nahalata ko as we called the games. Feeling natin kuminsan, no? Yung set, yung pupunta yung bola kay Ruby De Leon. Alanganin, wala na yan.
Oo, pero nagagawa pa ito ng paraan.
Tina Salak does it differently. Ruby De Leon does it differently. Oh boy, this game never running out of surprises. 5-1 po ang bilang natin. Lamang ang home tail fight. Sandali. Rotation.
It's a rotation error. These are the most unfortunate mistakes to have. Yung pwesto. Pwesto lang.
This is a violation that the referees allow you to correct it.
Yeah.
They'll let you sense it. If you ask, it's all right. Yung itatanong mo, tama ba ang pwesto ko? It's all right to ask. But if you don't correct it, they will not. They'll call it the minute the service delivered. So it's a point given automatically to the other side. Masamang umpisa ng Air Force ko, 7-1. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, lion, tiger, katol ang gamitin. Proudly, Philippine made. May ganung set, idea, no? Sama ng umpisa mo. Actually, lahat ng set, hindi maganda start ng Air Force, eh.
Yes. But, and then towards the middle of the set, they're able to recover.
Oo. 8-6 nung first set, 11-3 nung second set. Ayan, 8-1. Si Clarence, magtataka na naman.
Kung tatanungin mo nga daw siya, 60 to 70% pa lang sila pagdating sa chemistry dahil hindi pa daw nila masyadong alam yung tendency ng isa't isa, kaya naman madaming mga easy balls ang nale-let go nila. Pero sabi niya, kung hindi nyo pagbubutihin yan today, kailan pa tayo magsisimula? Balik sa inyo, Seb.
Wow, parang kanta, no? Kung hindi ngayon, kailan?
Kailan?
Patay ang bola. Thank you, Miyako, for that report. 9-1 ang bilang natin. Boy, this is a really bad start by Air Force in this third set.
They've never been down this much.
Axel, the official arbiter of the Shakey's League. You notice everybody who's anybody and who's running on the court is in Axel. 9-1 ang bilang natin. Charo. Just playing a good all-around game today. Caballero.
They go to Roses. There's a touch from Manzano.
Boy, I can't blame Clarence 7. You're trying to understand why this is happening. Is it in the mind? Probably it is.
It could be, yes. And, there's also a factor kasi na you have to look at the opponents also. That,
Yeah.
PLDT managed to get their game. They're playing a bit more consistent now.
That's a great point, yeah.
And
Oh.
not giving Air Force actually the opportunity to reorganize themselves.
And this is a combination that has probably not played that much together.
Yes.
On the side of the Air
Could
Force.
be also.
11-1 po ang bilang natin. May kasang official ball na Shakey's League. Wonder what anything new that Clarence might say.
Kayo na naglalaro dyan, kayo na lang magdalit sa sarili nyo. Di ba? Depensa na lang natin, marami tayo ng palakas. Gawin nyo lang kung ano dapat yung gawin. Trabawin nyo kung ano dapat yung trabawin. Hindi ko na lahat kailangan sabihin sa inyo kasi marami naglalaro dyan. 1-11.
Sunday afternoon is actually the time when we record this for you, and what a great day for volleyball. Everybody, families, people of all ages, just enjoying themselves. Boy, I remember I'm so much older than you. You'd go to volleyball games, nobody would be there.
Oh yes, nobody. Unless it's required by PE.
Or
but you won't have any audience.
Friends, family, and
Yes.
significant others. But, because of the Shakey's League where it all started, why a game as Just jump spike by leaps and bounds. In the meantime, that is outside. Nakakuha rin ng puntos ang Air Force. Tsaka may factor din yung yung Delpad, PLDT. Hindi natin pagigit itong Air Force. Diinan na natin, kailangan natin ng panalo.
Combination play. Oh, that did not go over.
Ang nakakatuwa at nakakatawa naman itong PLDT ng Delpad. Pag na-score na sila, nakakatulog din sila sa pansitan. Sila naman yung...
They're having a hard time to bounce back also.
Parang sila naman naduduyan din patulog, di ba? 11-3 ang ating bilang dito sa ating third set na po. Oop! Cases. Hindi rin makapalo na maayos si Cases. Ito na.
Combination play.
Ano ba gusto gawin ng Air Force? sabi ni Topic, ganito na lang gawin natin. Mas mabilis. Ang ganda ng spin ni Topic. I think she's on correct. Ayun. Umikot nga parang turumpo.
Actually, mahirap yun, ha?
Oo.
Kasi yung bola medyo nanggaling sa likod, and all the while, she was really looking up.
At saka may ilaw yan. May konting halo yan, ha? May konting spin yan na matataranta ka. Nice block. Cases, solid. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, Lion Tiger, katulad gamitin proudly Philippine Day. 5-11 po ang bilang natin. First set, going the way of the Air Force. Bumawi ang PLDT home Telpad no second set. At narito po tayo sa third set, best of 5 sets. Kay Roses tayo. Ahas ni Balmaceda.
Caballero scores another for Air Force.
5 straight points by the Air Force. Roger Goroyed sensing a bit of trouble. Let's see what he has to say.
Pangalawang beses na kayo nag-sandwich ni Kuya sa likod eh. Hindi kasi kayo nag-a-adjust eh. Pag nakita mong pumasok na Kuya, sumigaw ka na kay Romeo, iba na ang play mo. Pinipilit yung ganun eh, saan ba kayo effective? Diba? Pinipilit mo sa patong. Hindi ka pa nakakapatay sa patong eh. Knock-over pa yung palo mo, yung laglag. Diba? Saan ba tayo effective? Diba sunod-sunod na error yan? Tatlo lang ang total natin eh. Oh, 11-6 na yan. Eh galing sa 11-1 yan.
Boy, coaches do not need a score sheet. They know what's happening in the game. And Roger Goroyed is absolutely correct. The lead was 11-1, and suddenly the last 5 points have been scored by the Air Force. He doesn't want to give the Air Force a chance to let the planes get off the runway. Roses. Roses is like a good friend. Always there.
O, pag kailangan mo nandun.
May problema kang sarili, pang-pamilya, o
And I think that's, for Coach Roger, kung gusto niya lahat good friends ang kasama sa team niya.
And that's why Sue Roses, throughout the Shakey's League, has been on many teams.
So, official friend of Bahan.
Yeah, well said. And Benting gives the free ball over.
Cases. Picked up by Pantones.
Ganda ng pagka-pick up.
Benting gives it out to Soltones. Oh, that takes it to the line.
Out of reach, out of sorts. And it's 13-6. Watch this again. When Rachel has a good read of the blocking, she's usually able to score on it. But when she flies into the air na hindi pa niya nakikita yung block, she's in trouble most of the time. Cases returns the favor.
Cases right in between the two blockers.
Alam mo, Gretchen and Cases seem to become cut from the same mold. You know? Iba lang yung lakas ng bawat isa. But when they're blocked, it takes some time for them to get their rhythm going. Here's Caballero on her serve.
Soltones once again, this time picked up by Manzano. They go to Cases.
Si Pantone, walkways in everything. Bola muna. Nice block! Ito na naman, tama ka, Ivy. No? Biglang nagigising. Parang late riser itong Air Force. Ano? Sa pagka Tapos nang tumilao ka mga manok, tanghali na, saka lang gigising tong Air Force
Yeah, they would usually start out slow.
Very
and then
slow.
Towards the middle or pagka medyo malayo na yung lamang,
Saka
bigla sila
bubuelo.
magigising. Baka yun yung yung gusto niya yung adrenaline rush ng humahabol.
Merong team na gano'n. Hello.
Oh, good
One.
save from Caballero.
And it is Manzano. Semana tries her own stuff. Third or fourth longest rally. Good.
Unfortunate error from Cases.
Anong gustong gawin ni Joy doon?
She wanted to go to the diagonal. And I see what she's trying to aim at kasi maluwag yung depensa dun sa diagonal dun sa cross court. Unfortunately, masyadong manipis. Sobrang nipis, hindi nag-over ang palo.
Masikip yung eskinita.
Oo.
14-8 po tayo. Cases?
Cases, nakabawi.
Walang problema sa akin ang eskinita. Basta nakikita ko may dadaanan at hindi one way kaya yan.
Kahit patagilid pa pwede.
Patagilid yan. Ayan. Tama, no?
Patagilid talaga.
Exactly.
She saw the opening there at the right side of the blocker.
Kuminsan, that's all you need. 9-14. Ganda ng palo. Soltones makes it 15-9. And again, knocking at the door of the technical timeout is PLDT home tail pad. Soriano darts back in. The Venadera, who is always so regal and poised. In play.
Ortiz, off speed.
Version ng kabila.
Soriano, drop shot. Wala na sa pwesto pero nagawan pa rin ang paraan.
Minsan, athleticism na lang ang gumagawa ng paraan, no? 16 naman tong Air Force, kakatok-katok. They took the first set. They were down in the early goings, but, they suddenly woke up at the right time. Down by as much as 13-8. But in the second set, they couldn't do the same thing. Let's see if they are able to do that. Ganda naman ang pinagdaanan na yun.
Excellent combination play from PLDT.
Ang sikip ng eskinita. Tingnan nyo, ha? One inch na lang yata yun bago lumabas. Here's Soltones.
Oh, straight into the net.
Yung ganun ba, Ivy? Pagdating sa laro, you're hoping muscle memory niya. Kasi sa practice, sinusubukan mo yan.
Yeah.
So pagdating sa game, pag ginawa mo, gusto mo muscle memory na lang yan.
Yes, of course. Because you can't experiment during the game.
Okay, good point.
Diba? So whatever you have, if there's something that you want to execute in the game, you have to make sure na ginawa mo muna yan sa ensayo.
Don't let your body have too many surprises, ano? Pag gusto tanongin, ano yung ginagawa mo? Nice! Pick up by Pantone.
Back row to Roses. Ortiz, drop shot.
Kala ko makukuha pa eh.
Oh.
The last 2 points have been the Air Force scoring. Here they go again, knocking at the door. Semana has played the majority of the set. I don't think Rhea de Maculangan has been in this set. Semana does not fool around with her service.
Set up now for Manzano. Drops it. Ruby goes to Benting.
Hindi na itusok.
Ortiz.
Ito tusok.
Excellent play from Mike Ortiz.
Eye contact between Semana and Ortiz was perfect there.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yung hindi mo na kailangang sabihin. Tinginan lang kung walang sa tingin.
Sa tagal nilang magkalaban, USD against FPU, sa tagal nilang magkasama, kindat lang. Sabihin nyo, nakita niyo yung kindat? Hindi, excites lang konti.
Soltones, back row hit.
Para sinuntok si Semana.
Manzano off the block. When it
Regalo.
goes over, good block from Ruby.
Wala ko, regalo na kay Manzano yun. Huli pa rin. Gusto ni Manzano yung bola.
There's a touch from the blocker.
Ito na, sumasaya ang piyesta. 17-14, ito na naman po yung Air Force. Sabi ng PLDT Hotel Pad, bakit ba ang hilig niyang humabol sa dulo? Matanda tuloy yung coach namin.
Oh, pero I mean that's good. It just shows that PLDT kailangan talaga magpundar ng marami sa simula pa lang ng set.
Buti
Because that's how Air Force is. A good recovery there.
Referee will not blow his whistle unless he asks it.
Exactly. That was a good save from Air Force.
Yeah.
And Giles at the net, won by Benting. Hindi natinag sa mas matatangkad na blocker sa harap net.
Parang hinaya talaga si Michael.
Oh, ang ganda ng save eh.
18-14. Roger Dorayap is up from his seat.
Good serve.
Inside. And make that 15-18 now. This should be another nail biter here in the third. You know, we knew that we would have most of our games going 4 or 5 sets actually. So
It's not going to be a short day.
Nope, not at all. Mana picking it up. Antonio is there.
We go to Roses. Picked up by Ortiz.
Pag may palakpak, ibig sabihin ng puto eh.
Once more for Roses, who's asking for it.
Pag umatras si Suzanne Roses, yung ganong atras niya, ganon, bigay mo sa akin.
I can actually hear her asking for it from Ruby eh. At syempre, kung ikaw yung center, yun ang gusto mo. Yung tinatawag ka ng attacker mo para hihingi ng bola.
Hindi ba ko sa'yo, sa ingay na yun, nadinig mong itawag, na hindi naman ganong kalakas ang boses ni Suzanne. No? Just, you've been there, you played that, you know what it's like. In the meantime, this is to the other side. Si Mana, tinuro pa, dito kayo dito.
Good block there. Solid block from Roses.
And Clarence Esteban will talk to his team.
Tapos yung quicker natin, bagal yung paso. Dalawa yung nagbablock sa dulo natin, wala ka napapagkama. Humingi ka para makapag-play tayo ng maayos. Yan, nasa harap siya, di ba?
Nakita mo yung silip ng tingin ni Roger Durante kay Sultones kasi siya nag-recruit kasi sa Sebastian. Parang tatay talaga yung tingin. Siguraduhin mo kung uuwi ka ng ganitong oras, ha?
But, you know, Coach Roger is almost, I think, at that to Gretchen because batang San Sebastian din yung si Gretchen.
And when he recruited Eliza Valdez Ratinea, ganun din ang tingin niya kay Eliza. No? Samantala, 2016, sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, Mayan Tiger Katol ang gamitin, proudly Philippine-made, 16-20. Anzano has seen a lot of playing time here.
Ball is still alive. He punches it over.
Hala ko patay na eh.
Go to Caballejo.
Sumasama si Sultones.
Roses, off speed. Wendy will set it up to Caballejo. Off the block. Roses. Benting.
Si Wendy pag nag-set talaga ng pa-reverse parang matatanggal ang ulo. Binaon! Binaon! Woo!
Roses once again. So hindi lang palo ang binabaon pati drop ball. Dunk eh.
Parang walang nangyari.
Parang hindi naka-point.
Yun lang. 16-21.
Cases, another good block from Roses.
Parang basang-basa ng PLDT home tent pa ng gustong gawin ni Joy, no? Shakey's for Corn Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Of course, the girls don't say this, but you can say in their minds, they're saying, saan ka pupunta?
Of course, kaya, you know, that's one thing, if you're sa blocking, kailangan talaga marunong kang magbase. It's very, very important. So, you more or less anticipate yung magiging movements ng attack ng kalaban.
And in your mind, ano, parang sinasabi, saan ka pupunta?
Oo.
butang kita. Diba? And the Maculangan is back in. Semana has had a long stretch in this third set.
The Vanadera drop shot. Good save from Caballero. Pick up by Benting. Roses once again.
May pupuntahan yung Ali na madali. 23-17. This game has been mostly Suzanne Roses.
Yes. And she has actually been scoring in the most crucial parts of the sets.
That's
also.
A very valuable point.
Cases, good block there from the Vanadera.
Ni-recycle.
Cases once again. Pinalusot. Soltones off the block. Hindi na ihabol.
And it is set point for PLDT Home Telpad. And PLDT Home Telpad threatening to take a 2-1 lead in the set count.
Service good.
Pati serve niya, porsyento.
Cases.
Out,
Oh,
tapos.
that's outside.
And PLDT Home Telpad takes a 2-1 lead in the set count as they take the third 25-17. The Air Force comeback did not happen in the set, Ivy.
That's right. The Philippine Air Force was not able to recover. As we take a look at the shaky play, that's Gretel Soltones off the block, scoring set point for PLDT.
Mag-comeback, he said, parang enjoy Clarence Stellan, not like that, but it didn't work in that last set. The door was really shut tight by PLDT Home Telpad, Ivy.
That's right, PLDT they had better reception, they had better coverage. The blocking was really better also in this third set. And for Air Force naman, they also had a good game. It's just that they're having a hard time coming from behind it. You know, probably they could start off by putting in, magpunta na ng points nila. That fact that they have to always play catch up.
That's hard.
Yeah, that's hard. And probably na nakapag-establish sila ng medyo minimal lead during the start of the set. Pwede pang makuha ng Air Force yung set na yun.
Yes. You know, if this were a boxing match, you would call the Air Force a counter puncher. They're waiting for the other team to do what it wants to do. Saka lang sila nagre-react sa gusto nilang gawin. Kaumpisa lang po ng ating fourth set. Lamang ang PLDT sa set count, 2-1. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Si Seb Sameta, si Ivy Remulla at si Miyaka Lim ang magkakasama rito. Wala na ang bola. Aga. Well, look, it might be a different start here, Ivy. 2-0.
Yes,
Lamang
good
ang
start
Air Force.
here from Air Force. And we can see a much more aggressive, Air Force team.
I think that was the point you said about PLDT Home Telpad, or was it Air Force? A little more aggressive. And that really counts in a game where everything is scored upon. 2-0 here. Regalo. Roger Gorayev says the net may have moved there, but the referees do not. And I think the net is not moving unless may metal detector tayo or something.
Na tumutunog para malaman mo.
Ano na, airport? Shakey's for Fun Family Pizza. It's got to be Shakey's. You're watching the Shakey's B-League here on GMA News TV. Here's the set. Banting.
So far, so good here for Air Force.
Play ball.
It is a free ball. One hand set. Good pick up there from Cases. We go to Roses. Drop shot. Buhay pambola. Good coverage here from Air Force. Soriano blocked by Ortiz. They go to Roses. Drops it. Ortiz is there.
This is the
Maculangan. Caballero. Soltones back row. Buhay pa rin ang bola. Soltones straight into the net. Yan yung mga nakaka-frustrate, Seve, after a very, very long rally.
Parang kinuha sa ilalim. Hindi sa taas ng, alam mo, pag back row set, kailangan mas mataas ang kuha mo eh. Kasi ang layo ng distance na tatahakin mo eh. So nakuha ni Gretza sa ilalim. Parang late na yung lumdag niya. 4-0 po tayo.
Well, good set. Drop shot. Good save there from Rhea.
Nakaapat na si Suzanne o basang-basa pa rin.
Bentin. It's a free ball.
Nagkagulo
Hindi
na.
na itawid.
Hindi na. First point of PLDT home Telpad here in the fourth set. And they obtain the serve. The rotation spins. Sa panahon ng tagulang, iwasan ang Daniel Ryan. Tiger katolang gamitin. Proudly Philippine made. You know, we also know that Noel Zarate is working as our market today. So 5 sets isn't really unusual. That's outside. It's 5-1.
More or less expected na natin yung 7, no?
And when the referee saw him coming, they were
Wala
done.
na,
They
5
knew it.
sets na to.
They knew it. Ortiz in the back, far back. Lakas.
Oh, free point there for PLDT.
Layo na nga ni Maika. And Benting will be serving. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V League. Regalo sana yun.
Overreaching violation called up against Rhea de Maculangan.
Actually, wala lang papalo. Regalo yun. Nakita mo sa float pa lang. Alam mo kung may regalo. And it is 3 against 5. Benting serving. Yun, regalo rin yun.
Off the block. Soltones drops it. Good block from De Banadera. Oh, Ruby De Leon is down. I think she's having cramps. Hopefully. Does it look like?
Yes, it is.
It looked like it's cramps.
Let's see in the slow-mo. It looks like she's reacting to cramps. Let's see. May tapilok ng konti.
Natapilok.
May tapilok ng konti. No?
She stepped on Sasa De Banadera.
So she's the second player to experience something like this because we had Luan Latigay suffering that in the first set. So sino magsaset ngayon dito?
Well, we have Des Patilano taking over the setting duties here for PLDT. But, you know, based on the replay, mukhang hindi naman ganun ka. I think the one yung kay Luan looks worse.
Yes.
So, Des Patilano now from Adamson. Will be taking over setting duties here for PLDT.
5-4.
Drop shot. Soltones off the block. Well, that did not go over, so the point goes to PLDT.
Alam mo, ang blocking deterrent yan eh. Kung hindi mo mamakuha, pangkilang lang eh. Yun, may tulong pa ng net yun.
That's true.
Tabla tayo sa 5. Last 4 points. All PLDT home Telpad.
Good pick up from Pantone. Patilano.
Napaka-poised.
Off the block. Buhay pa.
6-5. PLDT suddenly grabbing the lead. Mikasa, the official ball of the Shakey's V League. Sa ilalim.
Drop shot. Pantone was there. Back set to Roses. Medyo kapos.
Pero wala eh. Kulang sa posisyon ng Air Force. Last 2 points. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, the last 6 points have been all PLDT home Telpad. 5-1 nung kanina.
Quick play there from Tapik. Patilano sets up Roses off the block. Oy, walang coverage na naman ng Air Force.
Air Force sleeping in the hangar. It is 8-5. We will be...
Sabi nga ni Coach Goreb sa kanilang dalawa na kailangan daw, ang unang game plan lang nila is to just mind their own game plan, and that is to execute their tactical combinations because they are not the tallest in this conference, kaya naman they have to resort to their advantage, which is their combination. That is why you've been seeing them execute it as much as they can. Back to you guys.
Thanks a lot, Nyaka. 8 straight points now by PLDT home Telpad, and the rotation. Oh boy, make that 9 straight points. Here comes Clarence.
Napakaganda na natin. Dito natin lalagay yung play, kay Judy. Hindi lang ang kailangan natin. Hindi pa natin magawa. Kasi bakit tayo umangat naman tayo ng konti? Hindi tayo pwede magpabayaan na ngayon. 10-5 na ulit, no? Tara! Dapat tayo! Nahihirapan na sa inyo dalawa. Hindi naman talaga sa inyo. Hindi na namin. Kapito!
Sometimes nobody's listening. So you let another voice do the talking. Maybe they will listen to that other voice. It is 9 straight points. It was 5-1 several eons ago, if you may put it that way, exaggeratingly so. But no points coming from Air Force for a long, long time. Yung defense ng PLDT, ano, yung na-observe mo tungkol sa defense, suddenly intact.
Yes, that actually made the difference. You know, they were able to cover most of the areas in their floor defense. So, hindi sila masyadong namamatayan ng bola.
Yes, kept in play. They were able to adjust, and suddenly, after a long, long while, the point is scored off the error of the serve.
And it's 11-6. 5-point lead here for PLDT. And for the Philippine Air Force, their top scorer so far after 3 sets, we have Caballero and Ortiz with 10 points each, followed by Tapik with 8. For PLDT, the top scorer is Zane Roses with 22 points, Soltones with 15, and Benting with 8.
Espatilano stepping in for the injured Ruby De Leon. Doing well with the Venadera, combining. Here's Soltones. Gets an opening. Rhea goes the other way. The back row defense has been solid for PLDT. Benting and Pantone. That is...
Oh, there is a touch. So the point goes to Air Force.
Ito na naman yung Air Force idea. Gigising-gising sa gitna ng almusal. 7-12. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, lion, tiger, katolang gamitin proudly. Philippine-made. Soltones.
Drop shot. Good save from Caballero. You know, Caballero's had very good floor defense.
Yes, she's been cleaning the floor literally, and nagkagulo sa panig ng
Good block
PLDT.
from Tapik.
Last 2 points have been scored by the Air Force. Ang motto ng Air Force is not how you start, it's how you end.
How you end the game.
But always in this game might not be the exact best vision. So Don is wondering why that didn't stay down.
Ball is still alive.
Tama yung ginawa ni De Benadera.
They go to Cases. It is a free ball.
Nagkakagulo ng konti sa harap.
Soltones. Excellent hit from Gretzel Soltones.
Wow. One of the best I've seen from her. 13-8. Sometimes yung hahangaan mo lang kay Gretzel yung power, pero kung minsan pag nakakilipad siya ng maganda.
Oo.
One of the best.
Parang may pakpak
yes.
no?
Mature din kasi yung body niya, yung kanyang athleticism is getting better. In the meantime, Air Force is not yet done with this fourth set and with this game for that matter. 9-13 po ang bilang natin.
We have Tapik now at the service line for Air Force. Service good. Running hit for Charo Soriano.
Unless
Good block.
unless there's an important need, they don't want to bring back Ruby De Leon. They want to rest her already. They want to win this game actually here in the fourth set. Roger Garev is actually shouting at his team. I think he has that in mind also. The King.
Soltones off the block.
Sa kabila.
Soltones once again. Sumobrang kabig.
Ito na naman, kakatok-katok. 3 points in a row. The Air Force.
PLDT just up by 2. Air Force was again slowly inching closer.
13-8 kanina. Ngayon, 13-11 na. Inching is the right word. Nice set.
So we go to Soltones. Ball still alive. Off speed. There's a violation called up against PLDT. Crossing violation if I'm not mistaken.
Baka. So that'll make it 13-12, a 1-point affair. Josimer Topic will be serving still. Disastrous. We're tied.
Coach Rogers asking for an overreaching violation.
Watch this.
I would actually think
Not so much, no? What do you think?
it seemed like an overreaching violation, but
Parang sa akin hindi. Unless there's a principle of some kind of airspace, that is violated. But we're tied at 13. Last 5 points. Oh boy. Look at the goal.
free ball. Miscommunication there. Running hit from Ortiz.
6-0 blast.
And suddenly PLDT finds themselves sleeping here in this series of points from Air Force.
Hindi umiikot yung rotation nakatulog So 6 points
Probably that's what PLDT may need, yung makaikot ng isang rotation para may bagong mix naman.
Topic slams it to the left side at 14. That's why they huddled. Charo Soriano brought the thing there. Let's regroup here. Let's work well so that Suzanne Rosas can move to the front, actually. She's still in the back, actually. Soltones is in the back row because she will be serving.
Sure serve from Soltones. A good pickup there from Pantone. Soriano with that quick hit.
When Charo gets clearance, she usually scores in it. Walang block isa. And PLDT regains the lead at 15-14.
Good serve. Running hit from Mike Ortiz.
Good
block from Benting.
And we hit the second technical timeout of the fourth set.
Kaya magta-taxi muna siya sa sa runway.
Paikot-ikot
ganun muna.
Tapos, here we go. Let's see if that the strategy or that trend will continue. Gumapang sa swerte ni Gretchen. Go!
That's outside. Lucky break here for PLDT.
Could be the most decisive point of the game. 4 straight markers by PLDT at this crucial stage. Swerte ni Soltones doon, gumapang pala
Really a lucky break. So she has to adjust to this one para makasiguradong pasok, and she did. Ortiz drop shot. Patilano will go back row to Roses. Ortiz once again off the block.
Galing ni Pantone mag-set. Huli si Charo.
Ball still alive. Benting gives out a free ball. Garces. Good reception there from Roses. Soltones sends it outside.
I see a smile on Sue Roses' face. A very rare smile. Because, sayang yung aking save. Pero gusto niya yung effort ni Gretchen.
Yeah.
Puntos ang habol no?
Exactly.
As in, parang yung kabila, patayin na natin. Sounds very lethal and criminal, but that's the way the sport talks, really. 15-17. Roses, it hits her, and it is 16-17. I think we have all the fans here coming here today because I think they'll see all 16s
Yes,
today.
right. So, like we said, the sulit na volleyball afternoon.
And you'll see all the games here on GMA News TV. Don't forget, sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ang dengue. Lion, Tiger, Katolang gamitin. Proudly, Philippine made. Antone.
We go to Benting. Off the block.
Namatay din.
And you know, here in this set, you know, Air Force managed to have a closer score with PLDT. I think one of the factors is that Air Force is blocking better
Yes.
here in this set. They actually earned 5 points already out of their block.
And if there's a fighter left on that side, it's got to be Ortiz. You know, she was vital cog of USC for so many years. She just can't load it up. Nice thing about Micah is when she gets over the block, minsan nilalampasan niya yung block, kukunin niya yung bola. Nakamataas.
Oo.
Paano mabublocking yun?
And she has the advantage of height as well.
Oo, no. Kainis kung ikaw yung kalaban.
Process at the open hit.
Double touch. Double touch. Tabla.
It's 18 all.
Already, Luan Latigay and Ruby De Leon lost. At least we're now to sprains. Si Latigay, hindi na nakabalik. Ano? Soltones hesitated. Free ball forthcoming.
Soltones from the back.
Ayaw niya ng free ball.
Ortiz once again.
Oh, yes, sir!
Actually, kitang-kita mo palang, approach pa lang ni Micah Ortiz, you already know. That will be a point for Air Force.
Oh, the vital cog scoring, and let's listen in to Coach Roger.
Kontrolado natin lahat eh. Huwag niyong ilagay sa alanganin. Alam niyo naman kung anong gagawin niyo. Huwag kayong magdadalawang isip kung hindi niyo kaya. Ang lalaki ng kuya, lalaglagan mo ng gano'n. Paluin mo pa, check, down the line. Mas kilaglagan mo yan, ang lakas ng loob ng mga yan ngayon kasi nakahabol na sila sa atin eh. Babalik kasi.
The interesting part is Clarence Esteban has decided, sige, kayo na mag-usap yan.
And I think probably the fact that he's not speaking to the team helps, you know, boost this kind of performance.
In a way, the guy is probably saying, I've said everything I have to say this afternoon. What else do I have to say that you haven't heard, actually? Interesting hop in our timeouts. Nice work by our director, Francis Supilio, and taking us to both timeouts.
Process off the block.
Ang matira matibay rito. 19 all ito. Tabla tayo. Lamang ang PLDT sa set count. 2-1.
Of course, PLDT would want to make sure that they close this set already.
Right here, right now.
Yes, that's right. And the Air Force definitely hindi naman papayag na basta-basta na lang makuha.
Kasi lalo na itong babaeng to, kanina pa nagwawala ito.
Micah Ortiz
In a
scoring.
nice way. Look at the eyes.
Point.
Look at the eyes, huh? I've seen that when, you know, we covered her in the college game here in the B-League. Boy, she has her game face on. Semana, who played the bulk of the second and third sets, actually, is on the floor. Top set.
Oh, good save from Semana.
Regalo. Top it is there. De Leon will crawl back into the game, hurting and all. Look at the crowd appreciating the guts. Bukas ng aray si Rubiel.
Oo. Tis-tis muna, saglit na lang eh.
Kung makakahabol, no? Semana.
Good serve. Benting drops it. Caballejo, good block from De Banatera. PLDT just down by 1. It is Angela Benting at the service line.
Naramdaman mo yung pasok ni Rubiel. Alina, sakay na. Parang siya yung sabi niya, sakay na kayo sa likod ko. Bahala na.
Good serve. Caballejo drops it. Di makulangan.
Back row.
Ruby, obviously having a hard time, moving around.
pero-
He's trying.
But if your setter is playing with this much guts, you have to respond as well. We're suddenly tied at 21.
Mag-running ka doon. Huwag mong bibigyan ng patong, ha? Pag nagkagulo doon, nagbalik ka. Nasa! Pamantalayin niyo kaya ni Sasa yung gitna, ha? Nasa likod ko natin, ha?
Isn't it so much fun to listen to both timeouts? You actually get an idea what the coaches are thinking. They're going to go to their main strengths, Sabi ni
Yes.
Clarence Teman, paluin mo ng malakas. Sabi ni Roger naman, dito tayo. Tapla tayo. Serve Sarmiento, Ivy Remulla, and Jacqueline, your coverage team for this special game. Huli, tinaas.
We go to Soltones.
Naghanap
Soltones
ng anggulo!
able to put that in.
Nakita mo yung tsa niya sa baba? Oop, palit ng take-off, Kasi may angulo siya na ispakan.
Angela Benting at the service line.
This is where the veterans bring out the
Service
best in
good. They go to Caballejo. Off the block. Pautak.
Sabi ni Roger Correa, sayang!
Oo.
Roger is having the smile of his life. Tinaas niya Listo pa rin yung mama. Tabla-tabla sa 22. 102 na sa board.
Roses.
Oh, God. She's just a joy to watch. She's so graceful and so precise. And her game is in here. It usually results in points.
Makulangan to set up.
Pasok.
And that is the point for Air Force.
This could be one of those long sets decided by 2 points.
Yes, pero paunahan na lang to.
Magayaw to serve. Ang kumurap dito, Dudulog. Palmacete was yelling, Pampina, get out of there.
Soltones.
Triple block.
Oh, that was a costly error there from Tapit.
Anong gusto gawin ni Tapo? He wanted to look for an angle.
Yeah, and I think she was also trying to hit the hand of the blocker at the same time.
Match point. Tinaas ni Soltones. Pinusok. In play.
They go to Casas once again. Buhay pa ang Air Force. Philippine Air Force refusing to be let down that easy.
Well, you're a volleyball player. You are just filled to the hilt here. Andaya, first appearance in the game. She usually is there for service and for some back row defense as well. Jenna serve. 24 apiece. Down the middle we go!
Good drop from Soltones.
And second match point. Soltones will serve for the win.
Good serve. They go to Ortiz as expected. Ruby De Leon. A miscommunication there from PLDT. A very costly error.
What happened there?
Well, there was a miscommunication from Ruby and Charo. I think Ruby was playing the play was supposed to be running in for Charo.
Parang yung choreography nagkasabit-sabit
Oo, eh.
no? So,
Very unfortunate time to create that miscommunication.
second match point lost by PLDT Home Telpad. Rosas is there at the back row.
Bawi si Charo.
Yun ba yung gusto gawin nila kanina?
Oo, yun eh. Angela Benting, block! Good blocking from Kuya Di Makulangan.
And it's a set point for the other side. Gorayev will try to ice this with a timeout. Let's try to listen in.
Natin ng maayos. Yeah, yun yung backline. Hindi tayo ng backline. Dahil kung pumapos, okay, balik ulit tayo. Pero yung block,
Nagising yung Air Force ng kanina. Ayaw na mag-usap.
Oo eh.
And now it's set point for the Air Force. PLDT Home Telpad had two opportunities when it was 24-23 and at 25-24, all gone.
So this is very crucial for PLDT. And this for Air Force as well.
Yes,
Definitely
indeed.
Air Force
Yes.
would want to extend this to a 5-set match. Serve safely over. We go to Sue Roses. Oh, mixed into the line.
Oh boy. Oh boy. 26 apiece.
And this is a strong first line for PLDT. You have Benting, Soriano, and Roses at the front line.
Wow. Yes, indeed. Lakas. Na-conscious si Ruby dun sa paa niya.
Yeah,
He has,
that there's that movement kasi.
meron siyang movement na yung may preno
Oo,
siya. Gano'n.
yeah.
Hindi niya magawa dahil sa sprain. And now the second set point for the Air Force.
Ready Makulangan for the serve. Serve is good. Oh, there we go to Roses. Good block. Caballejo. The ball is still alive. Kaso hindi na inabutan.
Hindi na. And we will be needing a final set. A fifth and final set. Why not? Shaky, shake and play. Stay with us. Don't go too far away.
Yeah, important role in the win in set number 4. Yung consecutive na running hits niya.
Yes.
Yun talaga yung nagpa-abante sa Air Spikers.
Parang feeling ko kay Mike, nakita natin sa mata niya, may gigil eh.
Oo.
May desire, may fire eh. And a little of everything. And Ruby De Leon, there was that service error. Diba?
Yes.
Ruby was trying to make that familiar hop of hers. Hindi niya magawa. Siguro nahilang siya doon sa injury niya. So, everything comes down to the fifth set. If you're Air Force, sabi niyo, okay, buhay pa tayo.
That's right. And of course, itong alam natin, the fifth set is just a race to 15.
Oh, yes, indeed.
So
That's
both
right.
of these teams do not have the luxury, to really just walk in the park o yung mag-relax muna.
Nope,
Kasi
nope.
this is just 15 points.
And the first point is scored by Air Force. And Roger is not picking on anybody in particular. He's yelling at everybody. Shakey's, if it's one family pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Glad you're with us for the fifth set of a nail-biter of a battle between the Air Force and PLDT Home Telpad. Position is critical as we approach the semifinal. Soriano! And there was that that play that you mentioned, yung hindi nagkalinawa ng slip, ano?
Yeah.
Yung communication ng PLDT Home Telpad, bogged down talaga eh. Axel, our official outfitter here in the Shakey's B-League. We're tied at 1.
Cases.
Regalo. Sa pool si Saltones doon.
Benting. Oh, good cross-court from Angela Benting.
When Angie's game is in gear, pasok lahat eh,
Oo.
no? Ang hirap niyang piliin, pero
Yeah.
pagka off shot, naba-blank shot, wala eh. It's, dalawa lang naman kay Benting, left or right. Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's B-League. Di Makulangan kneels down for that one.
Good. And Soriano almost had a hand at that.
In a fifth set, is it defense or offense that's important?
Sorry,
Is defense or offense?
well, it's both. Depends on which part of the game you are. Of course, if the ball is on the opponent's side, you really have to consider your defense. Although I'm a firm believer talaga na a defensive team can easily win the game than just an offensive team.
Oh, good point. Pantone has been steady there. Benting! Hindi na itusok. Joust. De makulangan.
Off the block, Sultanes keeps it alive. Ruby will go to Roses. Roses down the line. Good pickup from Pantino. Ruby to set up Benting. Benting off the block.
Ang galing-galing ng dalawang team. Mga walis-walis.
Off the block once
finally,
again.
gone.
Pantone almost had it.
Nagkakagulangan, winawalis doon sa block, mautak pareho. Three-two is the count. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion Tiger, katulad gamitin proudly, Philippine Air. There's a new face being brought in. This Royce Estampa. Medyo may balasa, no? Boy, can you imagine the nerves of this girl right now?
Very crucial point of the match kung kailan ka pinasok. Benting off the block.
Ngayon, Ivy, may epekto yung pagkawala talaga ni Luan Latigay, ano? Yung additional weapon para sa kapunan ng PLDT. 4-2 na ang bilang natin.
Because, for Coach Roger, syempre kailangan mo rin ng pampalasa eh. But at this point, he doesn't really have much of a choice kung sino pang pwede niya ipasok.
Wala na. Ruby De Leon is playing hurt. Got sprained, and I think the second set. Here comes Ortiz, the fire starter for Air Force in that fourth set. Benting. Estampa got into the net, got entangled with the net. 5-2 all of a sudden. It's now PLDT playing catch-up here, I think. For Fun Family Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's.
Michael Ortiz. Service good. Benting at the back row. That makes it to the line.
5 straight points scored by the Air Force. Roger Garayat needs a huddle.
Bihira naman at dito na lang, wala nang pinalong cross-court yun puro down the line na lang dito. Lagi na lang kapag dito na kaagad sa tulog yan Laki nyo yung down the line para hindi makapalo, hindi na pumapalo dun Alam naman natin yung gagawin, bakit hindi natin maikilos yung katawan natin dito? Lagi tayong habol ng habol sa bola. Kasi siraan kayo ng loob lamang sila. Block.
Simple lang ang gospel sa panig ng Air Force. Block.
Yeah. But because that's what really worked for them in set number 4.
Siyempre, sabi mo nga, yung the defensive team, and if you use your defense, it will lead to your offense as well.
Exactly.
6-2 po ang bilang natin. Lamang ang Philippine Air Force trying to stay in step with the leaders.
Good block.
Habol. Pantone. De Leon. Sa kabila. Alanganin.
Pasok.
Do you think that the 2 match points that PLDT had earlier, they're still thinking about it?
It could be. Because sobrang nakakapanghinayang
Sometimes you say in volleyball, let's move on, moving on. Not that easy. Nice set. Roger has a beef about the net.
Coach Roger is saying that one is a back player.
And, when you're in a crucial match, each time you need every point, and each side will move, and Roger Gurayat is still barking.
Because he was contesting that one of the players was a back player. The one of the players that jumped at the front, back player daw yun. So, of course, we know that's supposed to be a violation.
And now the refs are really checking just to listen to give Roger a chance.
It was Rhea de Maculangan who jumped, and she is a back player. So that her hand actually went over the net, and we know na pag back player ka, hindi pwede yun.
Can't do anything in the front row.
Exactly.
And Roger Goreyev continues to have a bone to pick, and it's a big bone.
It is.
But then let play continue, you know. The refs have no choice but to let play continue. De Leon. Medyo yung depensa ng Air Force nag-tighten up, ano. Bawat bola hinahabol na nila ngayon.
Good coverage. And they will go to Cases.
Nice.
Antonio is
Pick
there. They go to Roses.
Good friend talaga si Sue Roses. Na pinagbabalot ka bago ka umuwi from a party. Binalo talaga yung spike nila. Sige, uwi nyo. 8-3. Right to the finish. Estampa. 5th set entry into the game. Ooh, ice cold. Ice cold.
Mistake there from Estampa.
Boy, this is going to be crucial now. 9-3, and she has hardly played in the tournament.
But you know, sometimes that's one of the difficulties of coming off the bench. This was a long game, you know. So, for how long can you keep yourself
warmed up, ready,
yeah, exactly.
and the psychological preparation for it.
So, it's really a lot of pressure.
I can imagine. You're absolutely correct. 9-3. Nice set. Huli. Dinamitan ng balikat ni Tapik. Crawler over the net, and Ruby De Leon could not do anything about it. Look at the Air Force suddenly flying high here. PLDT tries to regroup here.
Hindi mo alam na si Tata ng open. Kaya sinasabi ko sa inyo wala kayo sa tibay ng dibdib. Kahit 10 pa yung lamang nila, kahit 14-0 yan, dapat ilaban ninyo. Dapat kontrolatin nyo yung kilos nyo. Alam nyo kung saan nyo dadaling yung bola. Nawawala kayo ng loob. Paano natin may papanalo yan? Nagkakamali na yung referee. Tapos tayo, ganyan.
10-3 is the count here. Air Force suddenly really lost already the mix, but suddenly with a second and third win. 10-3 count.
And at this point, PLDT just needs to make sure that they do not commit the errors. Speaking of errors, that is a service ace from Joy Cases.
And a little luck helps. And luck is created in this game. 11-3. Into the net she goes.
It's a free point now for PLDT. So they still have an opportunity to catch up. We've seen Air Force do this already earlier. So this is not a very big margin kumpara do sa, I mean, if we talk about how much points ang hinabol in the Air Force.
That's outside. 2 points in a row now by PLDT home Telpan.
PLDT down by 6.
Oh boy, 11-5 ang hinabol ng Air Force, ng fourth set. Hinapang nila. Up and away.
They go to Roses. It's good. Now the line hit from Roses, well calculated.
And suddenly it's 3 straight points from PLDT home Telpan. Benting all set to unleash her serve. Safe and sure. And look at this. Buhay pa. PLDT. Oh, I speak too soon. The point went the other way. It is now 12-6. checking myself there. De Leon.
Good fight from
Kinuha sa
Soltones.
kabila. So many things going on in the minds of the players right now. Your Air Force, you're thinking we have a chance here. Let's finish this. Your PLDT home tail by 1 point at a time.
We go to Soltones. Off the block.
8-12. This crowd being treated to a great game. Trying to listen in.
Papaluin mo, anong pwersa nun? Walang pwersa nun. Dadan, set, bigay mo lang muna kay Rhea, tsaka umalit mo tayo. Sayang ba yan? Patay mo doon, dalawa lang yung spiker, o patambay mo siya para malibre ko. Kita ka dun sa clip na papalo ka para sumama na sumama. Sige.
Kita mo, no?
Yeah. And even the movements inside the court, you could see, you know, that she's really struggling. Especially yung lateral. Mukhang nahihirapan siya sa lateral.
Very good. Eh, buhay ng spiker, kailan matrix eh. Galaw ka ng galaw dyan eh. Antino. Tusok!
Antino scores.
And they are 2 points away from a complete comeback. Sa panahon ng talunan, iwasan ng dengue, Lion Tiger katolang gamitin proudly Philippine made. Simano. Alive.
One more time for Soltones.
Huli! And it is
Good
gone.
block from Ortiz.
And look at this. Match point for Air Force. Oh, masakit ito sa PLDT.
Yes, definitely.
It's a heartbreaker.
They were there already.
Oh,
You
kanila
know,
na
they
to,
almost
eh.
had it, but they just were not able to hold on to it.
To close the deal and take nothing away from Air Force. They did not give up. 3 balls. Why not? The Air Force with a great win from behind. Whew. Sakit sa PLDT home tail pad, but if you're Air Force, boy, what a resurgence.
Yeah, they really did work hard for this, you know. All of those sets, yung talagang habol na ginawa
Indeed.
nitong Air Force.